Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, August 27, 2024, and we're going up with QQQ. H pattern, wide state, lightning to the upside. H pattern, wide state, H pattern. 555, H pattern, wide state, H pattern.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. What we're going to do is we're going to lock in half our gains. We're going to wait for the retrace. We're going to see how things develop moving forward bar by bar. Impulse, correct, impulse. Let's mark $2 move right here, and we'll watch it get to there.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $2 move, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to continue to lock in our gains and watch this bar by bar. Right in this area is where, right here, is where the price is going to try to work up to fill in that gap. So we're going to be prepared. Here is a $3 marker. And as usual, we're going to play bar by bar and lock in our profits accordingly. If Running Man holds the 25%, 33% area, takes a rest, we will make a new high of the day. So we're going to sit back, we're going to relax, we're going to be calm in the chaos, and we're not going to be too fast to lock in gains. We're going to let the price and the charts tell us what to do, and we will move forward accordingly as always. Right now, if the price dropped down to the 474 right now, one could get in with a continuation to go back up with the market. I'll mark up my charts later on to show you, but right there, that 474 area was very strong. If we weren't in this trade already, we would actually engage in that area. That is a good prime real estate area to go back up with the market.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $3 move, ladies and gentlemen. So, as usual, we're going to lock in a little bit more gains and manage this ongoing. So let's mark out what happened earlier. So we had an H pattern, moving average bounce, rising 21. We had a slingshot forming with our oscillators, strength to the upside. On our 2-minute chart, we had an H pattern, close enough moving average bounce with Fibonacci support, right there. We had a lightning to the upside. All right. And on our 5-minute chart, we had a 555 H pattern as well. I'm going to draw it out one way right now. So typical H pattern, came down, went up, came down. I'm going to show you what a continuation H looks like in a minute, but with our oscillators, we had a lightning to the upside. All right. So now that you saw that, this is how a continuation would look based on an H pattern. It would be a, hold on one second. All right. So it would be a reverse H. So that shows that it is continuing in the dominant energy direction. Once this price jumps the 200 on our 2-minute, the price is going to go up to this level. Depending on how it reacts off that level, right here would be right there. There's $4. Depending if we get there with speed and violence, we might get up to the 200 moving average on our 5-minute chart. Again, we're going to have to let this develop and let the charts and the price dictate. So Running Man ran up, he came back, he's taking a pause, and we expect him to run back up again.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $4 move, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to continue to lock in our gains and watch this bar by bar. And here's our ultimate target, right around this area. So roughly around $5 or so is where we're looking to close out. We'll see how it reacts off there. So it's going to be either one of two things. It's going to be a hard reaction off that area, and we might have some sell-off, or we might go into a consolidation situation, which if it goes into consolidation, I'm getting bored as it is right now, so I'm not going to stick around and see how long we consolidate if we're going to continue to go up. But that's our ultimate target, roughly around $5. So we're going to see how this all plays out. Let's drop our $5 marker in here. So the minute the price explodes past there and we hear it, we'll just close out after we get the cue that we've already went a little bit beyond the $5 when it runs up.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $5 move, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to wait a moment or two to close out. Our contracts haven't caught up to the price yet, so we're just going to wait for that to sync up, and then we'll close out.
Order fill.
And there you are, ladies and gentlemen, a $5 move within a 45-minute window of time. As always, never forget, be a pro.